Thank you, Vice Chairman, sir. DMK is opposing this bill and requests to send the bill to the select committee. Sir, both the bills are verbatim same and it's a mirror image. Sir, I find serious infirmities in this bill. Sir, this clause 3 takes away the participation of the professionals through council and who were in the decision-making process in the earlier acts. About 40% of the professionals earlier were there in the council. Now, this council is renamed as a commission, is going to be manned by a bureaucrats. The professionals who have put their heart, soul and life into this 50 years of council is now going to be hijacked by the bureaucrats. The professionals are going to be minuscule in number and they are going to kill the democratic system of professional manning their own body. Sir, these bureaucrats who are going to be outsiders, can they man this professional body? Therefore, we would request the minister to please restore the council with elected professionals. Leave the professionals to man this council. Now, the new bill tries to divide the society. Sir, clause 4(4)(a) and clause 5(1)(d) is trying to create a barrier among the persons who is going to be selected as a part-time professor as well as in select committee. Only those persons who know Sanskrit alone is going to be selected. Sir, why there is a language barrier? Why don't you make Tamil as one of the language? Now we are putting this Sanskrit, person knowing Sanskrit to be selected than the other languages. Therefore, sir, this clause 4(4)(a) and 5(1)(d) is highly discriminatory, violative of Article 14 and violative of Article 16. Sir, there is equal laws to be applied and there should be opportunity to all of them. That is what Article 16 says. Now, there is no reason behind why you include the Sanskrit for a selection. Therefore, I would say, sir, there is a discrimination between the person who knows Sanskrit and, in fact, Siddha is a unique system in Tamil Nadu and it can be traced back to the Siddhar period and therefore the Siddhas have written this in Tamil language. Therefore, why did you leave Tamil language while selecting persons who are well familiar with the Siddha? Sir, one more important thing is, sir, the bill trying to discriminate yoga and naturopathy. Sir, our former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, he floated Ayush and he recognized naturopathy and yoga as one of the system of medicine. It was there for about 70 years. Now, 15 states in India regulate yoga and naturopathy through their executive orders. Sir, the draft bill, when introduced by the Niti Aayog, it has clearly recommended for this yoga and naturopathy. Now, when the bill was introduced, this yoga and naturopathy is now found deleted. Sir, the standing committee recommended for inclusion of this yoga and naturopathy. Now this yoga is taken to the whole world, as my previous speaker said, by the Prime Minister. Now why are you forgetting this yoga and naturopathy? In fact, sir, this naturopathy, you can see the natural way of healing, yoga therapy, acupuncture, acupressure, magnetotherapy and mud therapy, hydrotherapy. These are all the methods of curing the disease. Now you want to leave this yoga and naturopathy. Sir, I would say, sir, nearly about 1,000 professionals are there, 42 colleges in India are there, and 10 colleges in Tamil Nadu. Next, sir, why do you have this NEET, next, and the NEET again in the PG course? Sir, this uniform system of school education is not available throughout India. Every state has got their own system of education. Therefore, where is the question of having a level playing field? This NEET is going to cause a disaster. Already it has caused disaster insofar as the MBBS admission is concerned. So I would say, sir, this NEET is not at all required because each state has got their own system of education. And another thing, sir, so far as the next is concerned, why should you have the examination when they pass the degree? Because already university has conducted examination and given a degree. And why do you have another examination again in the form of the next? Sir, so far as the PG admission is concerned, you have a marks, you have a grade, and why should you have another examination of a PG? Therefore, sir, I would request that let it be sent to the select committee. You are trying to divide the people with language and caste. Please don't do it. Thank you, sir.